Okay, and this one, we are supposed to multiply and simplify. We get the parentheses. So again, when, let me mention, when there's a power, well, when there's a 2 power, outside parentheses, we must write 2 parentheses. So you got to write it as 2 parentheses. So it's got to be 2y plus z and another 2y plus z. That's what the 2 means, right? We know that, huh? If I write 7 with a 2 power, it means 2 7s times multiplied together, doesn't it? So if I write 2y plus z with a 2 power, it means 2y plus z's. Okay, so now we're going to take that 2y and go boom, boom. So 2y times 2y, 4y squared. Remember, the invisible 1 powers on the y's add. And then 2y times z is 2yz. And now he's done. His turn's over. And now it's this guy's turn, and he's going to go to both. So z times 2y is, again, 2yz. It doesn't matter what order you write. You could write z2y, but you might as well just put them in alphabetical order, and because it doesn't matter. And then z times z, now there's invisible 1 powers on those z's. So that makes z squared, doesn't it? Good so far? So we have one more step to go. We have to combine the like terms in the middle, but is this making sense so far? So we took the first one. So again, when you have a 2 power outside of parentheses, you got to write 2 parentheses. And then you got to take the 2y and it goes to both. Out front numbers multiply, powers add. 4y squared, right? 2y times 2y is 2 times 2 is 4, and the 1 and 1 powers add, 4y squared. And 2y times z is 2yz. And then he's done. And then the z goes to both. Z times 2y is 2yz. And z times z is z squared because the invisible 1 powers add. Now, in the middle, these guys, we're going to combine like terms. So in the very middle, 2yz and 2yz is 4yz. We don't mess with the powers. You might think, well, Mr. Shouldn't it be like squared and squared? No, remember, we're only adding. So when you're adding terms, you only add the numbers in the front, the 2 and the 2 to make 4. You don't mess with the powers at all. You only mess with the powers when you're multiplying. That was up on the first step right up here. We multiply. But at this stage, multiplying is over and we're just adding. We're just combining like terms like that. And bring down the z squared. So, and that's as far as we can go. How do we know we can't add them anymore? Well, because these 3 are unlike terms. They're different letter patterns, aren't they? This is y squared, this is yz, this is z squared. They're different letter patterns. We can't combine them any further. There we go.